there is a disorder, when there is a disparity in the elapsed time measurement between two clocks traveling at the same velocity relative to each other, call that time dilation. There's a disparity in the elapsed time measurement. Elapsed time is where things lag. So there's a disparity in the elapsed time measurement. Basically, when two clocks parallel to each other traveling at the same velocity relative to each other, they call that time dilation. I don't know how that relates to natural equilibrium and governing dynamics. I know the whole idea of each independent player, each individual can achieve the most effective and efficient, optimal desired results if each individual don't deviate from the initial strategy. What's the point for this whole video, man? This whole video is about, I'm discussing art and this is about art, painting and drawing. And all of this is to postulate that if you look at ideas, whole idea of time dilation or special and general relativity, specifically, Einstein get into the